Welcome to our channel. Let's dive into how you can easily log into your Skillshare teacher account. Even if you're just starting out, logging into your Skillshare teacher account for the first time can feel overwhelming. But with a few simple steps, you'll be set up and ready to teach in no time. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going directly to Skillshare's official website. At the top right corner of the homepage, look for the login button and click it. When the login page appears, you will see option. Log in either through your email and password or using social media accounts such as Google or Facebook. If you already have a Skillshare student account, you can use the same credentials to access your teacher dashboard. If you do not have an account, yet select the option to sign up, which is usually just below the login form. Here you will enter your email, create a strong password, and confirm it. Be sure to use an email you check regularly, as important course notifications will be sent thereafter. Registering, you will receive a confirmation email. Open this email and click the verification link to activate your account. This step is crucial, as it ensures your account is secure and fully functional. Once your account is verified, return to the Skillshare homepage and log in with your new credentials. After you have successfully logged in, look for the menu or dashboard icon. Typically, it will be located in the upper corner, and it allows you to access your teaching tools to begin setting up your teacher profile. Click on the dashboard and select the option that says Become a Teacher or Create a Class. You'll be guided through the process of adding your bio, uploading a professional profile picture, and highlighting your skills that make your classes unique. Next, take time to explore the platform's features that help you create and manage classes. This includes uploading videos, setting class outlines, and scheduling releases. As you familiarize yourself with these tools, remember that clear and engaging content is the key to attracting students. Once your profile is fully completed and your first classes are ready, it's important to regularly check your email and Skillshare notifications for any updates or messages from students. Engaging actively will help you build a strong teaching presence on the platform. Finally, don't forget to sign out securely when you finish your session. Whenever you use shared or public devices, logging out helps keep your account safe from unauthorized access. And that's everything you need to know to confidently log into your Skillshare teacher account and get started with your online teaching journey. We hope this step-by-step guide has made the process straightforward and hassle-free. Remember to practice your skills and keep exploring the educational possibilities Skillshare offers. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on growing as an online teacher. Thank you for watching, and we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful guides and updates.